Ever questioned how online video creators generate income? A thought many people have had. Today, we're pulling back the veil to expose the most profitable themes for online content creators. You see, advertising is a major source of income for many video creators, and the theme of your content can drastically affect your earnings. From interactive entertainment to aesthetics, gadget evaluations to wellness, each domain presents distinctive opportunities. So, let's delve into and examine the top themes that can aid you in accumulating advertising revenue. Launching our rundown is the perennially loved sphere of gaming. Gaming channels command a mighty presence on YouTube, roping in millions of enthusiastic viewers each day. The engagement is through the roof, with fanatics eagerly following every step their favored gamer takes. This viewer loyalty translates noteworthy ad gains. Channels in this genre illustrate how gaming can evolve into a profitable YouTube vocation. So, if you're a gaming zealot, this could be your golden opportunity. Moving forward, we delve into the enchanting sphere of aesthetics and style. This niche is a radiant universe where innovation unites with business. Tutorials on aesthetics, style hauls, fashion advice, they all attract a gigantic audience. This audience isn't merely observing, they're purchasing, transforming it into a fertile ground for advertising revenue and a treasure trove for partnerships. Companies are keen to team up with influencers who can display their goods in an appealing manner. Hence, if you have a fervor for style, this could be your ideal match. Tech enthusiasts, lend me your ears. Tech reviews are a treasure trove. With new devices and applications emerging every day, there's an eager audience looking for insights before parting with their hard-earned money. Your in-depth, impartial reviews can attract enormous views, resulting in substantial revenue from ads. But there's more. If your channel expands, technology companies may approach you with sponsorship opportunities. Imagine receiving compensation to review the latest in technology. Tech adept, this could be your way to digital platform success. Health is wealth, and in the realm of online content creation, it can be quite literal. Fitness and health channels are thriving, attracting a large engaged audience who are eager to learn about nutrition, workouts, and general wellness. This keen interest translates into high ad revenue and a plethora of partnership opportunities with health and fitness companies. From workout routines to nutritious recipes, the scope is wide and the potential is enormous. Fitness enthusiasts, it's time to convert your passion into an income source. Last but not least, we've got food and cooking videos. These hearty presentations can serve up a wide audience, making your channel a magnet for those who are passionate about food. What's more, they're a delicious way to stir up significant engagement. Think about this. Your culinary skills could attract the attention of popular food brands, opening up a plethora of partnership opportunities. So if your passion lies in the kitchen, why not share it with the world? Got a love for food? This could be your recipe for success. So there you have it, the top themes for making money on digital platforms through ad revenue. From the thrill of virtual gaming to the allure of style and fashion, we've journeyed through a myriad of categories, each with its unique potential to generate ad revenue. Tech insights have shown us that advanced innovation is not only thrilling, but can also be profitable. The wellness and health sector, with its ever-growing audience, gives us a glimpse into a world where well-being and wealth go hand in hand. On the more savory side of things, food and culinary channels have proven to be a delightful way to attract views and ad revenue. Each of these categories provides a pathway for you to express your passion and creativity while also making money. But remember, these are just guides. The real secret lies in choosing a category that you truly love, one that will keep you motivated to consistently create engaging content. Remember, the key is to choose a theme you're passionate about. Now it's time to start creating and start earning. That's it for our video on the top profitable topics on the video sharing platform. We hope you found it insightful and inspiring. If you did, please give us a positive response. It really helps our channel to grow and reach more aspiring content creators like you. We'd love to hear your thoughts or any questions you might have, so don't hesitate to leave a comment below. And if you haven't already, make sure you follow us so you won't miss out on our future content. We're always here to guide you on your journey in video creation, providing you with the tips and tricks you need to succeed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.